Hello everybody. In this video, I am going to give an update on my portfolio and show you all of my positions. Let's get started. So right now my portfolio is worth $236,446.95. In the past year, I am up $75,251.89. Year to date for the year 2025, I am up $79,003.80. Today was a red day for me. As you can see, I lost $13,349.64. So over $13,000 down today. Let's go over my positions. For my options, I am selling Amazon $225 covered calls. These expire December 26. My return $1,395. I'm selling Delta Airlines $58 covered calls. These expire December 26. My return, I am down $5,260. I'm selling Google $300 covered calls. These expire December 26. My return, I am down $414. I'm selling Robinhood $110 covered calls. These expire December 26. My return, I am down $14,360. I'm selling Kroger $64 covered calls. These expire December 26. My return, $3,890. I'm selling SoFi $34 covered calls. These expire December 26. My return, $1,792. For my cryptocurrencies, I have Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and Avalanche. These are free positions I received from last year's event in New Year's. So I got these for free. I'm holding on to them for now. For my stocks, I have 2,000 shares of Robinhood. Robinhood is at $131.95. My average cost, $122.92. My return, $18,069.40. I have 6,400 shares of SoFi. SoFi is at $27.49. My average cost, $5.70. My return, $139,466.05. I have 2,000 shares of Delta Airlines. Delta Airlines is at $67.33. My average cost, $64.18. My return, $6,282.20. I have 300 shares of Google. Google is at $320.44. My average cost, $317.66. My return, $833.16. I have 300 shares of Amazon. Amazon is at $229.85. My average cost, $219.10. My return, $3,225. I have 1,000 shares of Kroger. Kroger is at $62.71. My average cost, $67.69. My return, I am down $4,975. This is a margin account. My margin buffer is 26.65%. My margin buffer indicates how close I am to a margin call. The higher your buffer percentage, the lower your risk of getting a margin call. So because I'm at 26% margin buffer, I think I should be okay for now. I don't think I'm in risk of getting a margin call just yet. For how much margin I'm using, my margin used is $487,497.52. I do have $68,418.02 of margin available in my account. The interest rate that I am paying is 4.75%. The daily interest that I am paying is $64.19, and I'm using $1,000 of margin interest free. So I guess the biggest news lately has been Kroger, but also Robinhood went down 7% today because of their stock offering, I believe. I think I read some news about that. Let me scroll down and see if... Yeah. SoFi stock breaks below key moving averages on $1.5 billion offering. Should you buy the dip? I mean, I am still holding on to this for now. But yeah, that's why it went down 7% on December 5th. So that's why it went down so much today. As for Kroger, that was surprising to me because they actually beat their earnings. Kroger reported recently, and I have my covered calls at $64 strike price, but it went below that. And this is another example of when it's actually better to do in the money covered calls, because if I had chosen a higher strike price, I would be in a worse off position than I am now. But yeah, Kroger, what was the news recently? Yeah, look at this. Kroger Q3 earnings beat estimates. E-commerce sales jumped 17%. So, I don't know. I don't think it deserves this downward move, but we'll see what happens from now until... Yeah, look at this. It dropped so much. It was at like, what, $67? And then it just tanked down to like 62. So it went from above my strike price to below my strike price. But my covered calls expire on the 26th. Right now is the 5th, so 21 days left. There is some room for this to move. I'm holding on to it for now, but if I fear that things will get bad, then I'll lower my strike price even more or just get out of it completely. But for now, I'm just leaving it as is. Yeah. $64. It could go either way. Is it 63 right now? No. It's at $62.71. Kind of close. But we'll see what happens in the next coming weeks. Other than that, I don't have any other news. I don't feel too bad, even though I'm down over $13,000 today. I still feel like $236,000 is a good amount to have in my portfolio. Overall, this year has been a roller coaster, but right now, my gains are looking real good. 50% year-to-date gains, which I'm very appreciative of the fact that I gained that much this year, because there have been 2 times this year where my portfolio value has decreased dramatically. You know, one time was in April when it went down quite a lot, but then it recovered from there. And then there have been a couple dips throughout the year where it went down, but overall the trend is up. But yeah, most recently in the middle of November went down huge, but now it's recovered. Who knows? Who knows what's going to happen in the future, but so far, at least for now, I'm happy with my gains this year. All right, I'll keep on making more updates, but for now, that's pretty much for this portfolio update. If you guys like this type of content, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll keep on making more of these videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.